You are looking at Julian's pronunciation guide, where we look at how to pronounce better some of the most mispronounced words in the world, like this other curious word. But how do you say what you're looking for today? Let's learn once and for all how to pronounce this name correctly and clarify the pronunciation once and for all. If you want to learn more confusing vocabulary, including from Korean, stay tuned. A family-controlled conglomerate in South Korea. So you got the Korean pronunciation, which is Chaebol. Chaebol is how it's pronounced in Korean. Now, in English, it's more commonly pronounced as Chaebol. 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 That's your standard English pronunciation, although some say it just like the Korean way, or an alternate pronunciation that sounds a bit more like Korean is as Chaebol. Chaebol. Also, it's up to you how to pronounce it, but at least now you know it all pronunciations. Here are more videos on how to pronounce more confusing words and names too many mispronounced. Like this video if you found it useful. I appreciate your support. I'll see you soon and thanks for watching.